Magandang gabi sa akin Facebook friends and family. Sa mga nanay natin sa Facebook, mga ating mga mothers, blessed, happy Mother's Day. So kasama ko mami ko. Hi ma'am. And we're waiting for Nadine's mom, ate ko. So sabi nga ng mom ko, not only mom, but mom of moms. So yung mga grandmothers, of course, mga nanay sila ng nanay. Siyempre, kasama ko parati si Lani and si Lucas. Hi Lucas. So guys, there's only, in the 10 commandments, there's only one commandment that has a promise afterwards. Diba? Yung honor your father and mother and you will have a long life in the land you reside in, no? So, I'll talk more about that one time, but ang point ko lang ganito, hindi naman nakalagay sa Bible na be obedient to your parents all the time. Kasi between something God says and your parents says, of course, you'll follow God, di ba? Kung gusto ng parents mo gumawa ka ng illegal or mag-cheat ka sa exam or follow their example, kung bad example, syempre hindi mo gagawin, di ba? Kung alam mo kung anong tama. But that doesn't mean that we can be disrespectful. Let's talk more. So yun ang assignment ko sa atin lahat. What does honor mean? Di ba? So wag lang sa parents, di ba? If I say I honor my wife, if I tell you I honor my job as a senator, so what does that mean, no? So yun, babati lang muna ako sa inyong lahat. Shout out sa mga taga Zamboanga. Ayun na pa rin si ate. Ate, happy Mother's Day din.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day daw, everyone. So may work pa kami actually. So celebration muna, dinner out, and then may work pa lahat kasi busy week. God bless you guys.